Hello and welcome to the How to Earn $1,000 a Month by Swing Trading Crypto series. In this video, we're going to talk about Ethereum, ticker symbol ETH or ETH. So go ahead and smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Remember, nothing I say in this video is financial advice. Please do your own research. I'm just sharing my experience and my path with you. Only invest what you can stand to lose or be stuck holding a long period of time. And beware of spam in the comments. You'll see a lot of somebody strike up a conversation not on topic, but they'll talk about how they made a lot of money with someone showing them how to trade, and they'll try to lead you to a person on Telegraph or WhatsApp or some other similar platform. They won't lead you. They'll fake a conversation saying that they're telling someone else, but it's usually one person with multiple accounts trying to trick you into saying, hey, I want to know that person. And you can go in and click it and connect it and getting a scam. So please be aware of that spam in the comments and stay away from it. And know that they are in no way affiliated with the channel. All right? So when it comes to Ethereum, if you've bought, hold, sold, traded, or even if you mined back when it was proof of work, or if you're staking it, or if you're interested in learning more about ETH, go ahead and put a hashtag ETH in the comments. And in this video, we're going to talk about, we're going to look at ETH's price through its, when it became live till now, and then we're going to zero in on a 30-day period where ETH wasn't doing so well and looked like it was trading sideways, and we're going to compare that time frame with the last 24 days. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to go 5 of the top trading opportunities during that 30-day period where it looked to be flat on a long time scale, so you can get a picture of, hey, can I still trade and make money even though the coin is not moving like it's moving now, so to speak, or like it's been moving over the last couple months. After that, like I said, then we're going to go and do the same thing for the last 24 days, check out the live price action, and then do the simulation. We'll use $3,000 again, and we'll do those 5 trades. And then once we do that, we'll look at the tokenomics of ETH, starting with the current price. Then we'll go ahead and look at the market cap and the rest of the information about the coin that'll help us better predict when to buy or sell. All right, so let's go ahead and look at ETH in its all-time price ranges, starting way back here. It looks like 2015, 2016. Here it was very flat, and then as you see, it then hit 1K until 2017, 2018, late 2017, early 2018, and then all the way to 2021 when it hit 1K again. So this is the 1K line. So what we're going to do is, like, after it hit in between bull runs before it went back up again here in September 2023. So we're on one of these flat lines here. So it looks like it's kind of flat here with little bumps here and there, but we're going to zoom in this area here and look at September 1st to September 30th, 2023. And then we'll do the trade from there. So during the 1st of September 2023 to the 30th of 2023, that was 30 days, of course, the highest price it hit was $1,684.32, and that was on September 29th. That was right here. And then the lowest price was on 9/11, September 11th, 2023, at $1,540.63. That was down here. All right, so let's look at the first trading opportunity that we see, and we'll see that we got 2.8, and this was, looks like 2 September to 8 September, so 6 days, 2.8. That's horrible. We probably wouldn't want to ever do that because if we did do that, make that trade, the fees would be high, so we'd probably end up losing on that trade. But anyway, just for simulation process purposes, we'll do it anyway. Then here on the September 11th on this low with another 1-day turnaround to the 12th, we got a 4.4. Then on the 13th through the 17th, we got 4 days, we got a 4.9. Then on the way over here, we got a 3.9 on it from the 25th of September to the 27th, it looks like. So that was 2 days, and then another 28th to 29th, 1 day of 5.3. So we were only able to bust out a 5.3. And even though it looks like it's making sharp cuts, because of the price range, they're all in the same area 1.55 to 1.675 on this chart. There's not much movement, right? So you see. All right, so the numbers here for this one, let's break out the old calculator. This 2.8 would get us $84. Then this 4.4 would be $132. This 4.9 would be $147. Then this 3.9 would be $117. Then this 5.3% margin would be $159. So here we're only able to squeeze out $639 at max. We did everything perfect. So this was not a good month to trade. So one thing that what could have been done, and like we said in the introduction, only invest what you can stand to lose, or be stuck holding for a long period of time. So let's say you've seen this dip and you waited till it came back up and you invested here at maybe 156,000. Sorry, at 1,560. Yeah, 1,560. It's 1,560 bucks, or 1,500 and yeah, 1,560 bucks, or even 1,555 bucks. So you best invested here and decided that, you know what, I'm going to wait and just hold it until 3 months. Then you would have got a better gain, but you would have missed those 3 months. But yeah, it does make a difference. But let's go ahead and look at the next month, or at our current prices. So this was not one of the best months to trade, but there was still something to be had. All right. So now here we go, July 1st to July 24th. That's this year. That's this month. This was 24 days. The highest price here during this time period was $38.44.65, and that was on July 21st. That was here. Then the low price was $23.99.70, and that was down here on July 1st. All right. So our trading, we got an 8.7 here from the 1st to the 4th. It's 3 day. 11% on the 4th to the 10th. So that's 6 days, 11.1%. Then on the 10th again, turn around and bought back in, and then sold again on the 15th. So that's 5 days, 9.5. And then here we have a 15th with a sell on the 18th, the 3 day turnaround at 19.6. And then on the 18th through the 20th, 8.5% turnaround. So that was what we got for there. And let's see how much we were able to muscle out of this bunch here. So this 8.7, let's pull it up here. This 8.7 would have yielded $261. This 11.11 would be, or 11.1 would be $333. This 9.5 would be $285. And this 19.6 will be $588. And then finally the 8.5 will be $255. So for this trading ETH, and it's not one of the best coins to swing trade, but you still would have made money this month. Here, 24 days, the $1,722 with 6 days left in the trading cycle. So there was much, you would definitely with $3,000 been able to make $1,000 swing trading this month, perhaps some more. So let's just say we're 15% off the top and the bottoms. So let's go times by 70%. That's 15 plus 15 is 30, and 100% minus 30% is 70. That's where the 0.7 came from. So multiply that, and then with that margin not being perfect, we'd still be able to get $1,205. That's if we are able to catch these bottoms. So let's look at this again. See how the lows, the buy-ins are a little bit higher every time. A little bit higher. So when you bought a lot this time, you sold, but then you're looking, if you're looking for this price to be down here, when you, based on what the market's doing right now, you would have missed these buying opportunities, because you would have waited it out. Then same thing, buying opportunities got higher. And even here, you probably would have bought here or somewhere close. All right, within 15%, you could have been anywhere along this path, been fine. All right, so let's go ahead and that's the price action, the current price action from the 1st to 24th of July. Let's look at the tokenomics, kind of see Current price of ETH is $3,742.88 as it is climbing, and it's still number 2 in market cap at a $451.6 billion market cap. 24-hour trading volume is $48.9 billion. Circulating supply is 120,711,164 ETH, and the total supply is the same, and the max supply is infinite, so it means that they can throw some more in on you and dilute the price. But hopefully if they do something like that, it's a good reason that's going to benefit the holders. But as far as swing trading, if you're in and out, that shouldn't affect you as long as you pay attention to what's going on in the ETH world. Alright, so if you like this video, found it useful, go ahead and smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Remember, when you subscribe to the channel, you get notified when new material is posted. And if you haven't done so already, if you're interested in ETH or have already invested, go ahead and put a hashtag ETH in the comments. And if you want to see other cryptos broken down in the same manner, go ahead and click the rectangle in the middle of your screen. If you want to see what other type of videos the channel offers, click the circle in the bottom right. Alright, so thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you in the next one.